Hello everyone, I am Sanita Bharadwaj and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope 2026 will bring in a lot of greatness and abundance into your life. And since it's a new year and in about 3 months it will be 6 years since I uploaded my first ever YouTube video, I thought it is time to introduce myself reintroduce myself on this channel because a lot has changed and yet a lot has remained the same. So I thought, why not do a reintroduction video so that you all can get to know me better. So yeah, that is what this video is about, and let's get started with the video. Hi, I'm Sanita Bharadwaj and I am an artist, but I think most of you all know that. So apart from the fact that I'm an artist, here are a few things about me. I am an introvert, very quiet at first, but once you know me or once I feel comfortable around somebody, I talk a lot, mostly about life, about creativity, about philosophy, and of course, I make some bad dad jokes, which are funny by the way, and I also speak in crazy and weird accents. Now, I'm the kind of person who loves being home. I love slow days, I love quiet mornings, and I just love creating art in my little corner of the world. And oh, I love video editing. I love video editing so much that I can do it all day, any day, and I don't think I'll ever get bored of it. And of course, I'm not always productive. I love chilling, I love sleeping, and I love watching movies which have a happy ending because I don't like movies which end on a sad note. In fact, when somebody recommends me a movie, the first thing I ask is it a happy ending movie? Because I do not want to watch a movie and be depressed by the end of it. No offense to anybody who loves sad ending movies, but I watch movies because I want to feel happy. I watch movies because I want to feel inspired. I watch movies because I want to feel hopeful and optimistic. I don't want to be depressed by the end of it. I don't want to start questioning my whole life existence when I finish watching a movie. So yeah, I love happy ending movies and also series. And one more thing about me is that I like to let my mind wander, which is just a very beautiful way of saying that I overthink a lot. Basically just that
I think about things that need not be thunk, and I just end up thinking more than I should have thunk in the first place. I know thunk is not a word, but it just sounded fun in my head.
So yes, I just unnecessarily think too much about things that hasn't even happened yet or probably will never happen. And oh, I get awkward in social settings, at least initially, like until I get used to the environment and the people. But put me in front of a canvas and something settles. That is where I feel most like myself. I love painting my emotions, my experiences, and even just things that I love, which I just want to recreate. Painting for me is a way to express, whether it is expressing love, devotion, admiration, or determination. Most times on canvas and sometimes on random things. I don't exactly have the words for what painting does to me because painting for me feels like breathing air, like a warm hug. It gives me a kind of peace nothing else ever has. My art for me is self-expression, therapy, and storytelling all at once. Now, I've been sharing my art on Instagram for over 3 years now, and like I said, it will almost be 6 years since I uploaded my first ever video on YouTube. So it is just crazy to think about that. But I just want to tell that YouTube will always have a special place in my heart because 14-year-old Sanita dreamt of being a YouTuber, and 16-year-old Sanita took the leap and uploaded her first ever YouTube video, not knowing exactly where it would lead, but just knowing that she wanted to create. And that dream never really left, it just grew with me. Now, I know that along the way I did disappear on YouTube for 2.5, 3 years, and that was because I was still figuring out who I was, what my style as an artist is, and I just needed time to understand my voice. And honestly, I'm glad I took that break because that time mattered, because what I share now, all the videos that I share on YouTube now, feels honest, feels intentional, and fully me. This channel is about art and life, painting processes, behind the scenes, finished artworks, thoughts that keep me awake at night, reflections on creativity, and stories both visual and verbal. Please know that I'm not here to pretend that I have everything figured out. This is just a way to document my creative journey as it unfolds. If you love art, deep conversations, quiet chaos, creative things, and would just like to be part of an artist's journey, you will feel right at home here. This is my journey and I'm glad you're a part of it. Bye.